So I shot my last video 2 days ago, and somehow between then and now, I got smacked with a crud. So I'm suffering from vocal deficiencies today. The good news for you is, through the magic of editing, you'll never know how many times it takes me to say whatever I'm trying to say. I've already said this 15 times. I'm just kidding. Or am I? At the end of last season, I started going to a bunch of the parks on the Hudson River. And today we're gonna head back over there and pick up on some that we missed. Today we're going back to Battery Park City, a different part of it. Let's go. Got off at Fulton Street, and we're back near the World Trade Center site. Like I said, today we're heading over to Battery Park City, and we've been there before. Check out that episode if you haven't seen it yet. But we're going to a different park today. We kind of did the upper part last time, and today we're going to do the lower part. There should be some cool stuff to see. Please don't climb on the octopus. A side note while we're here, this is supposed to be 2 World Trade, but they haven't started building it yet because tenants have come and gone, they haven't settled on the final architectural designs, all sorts of stuff, but that's where it's gonna go. The 9/11 Museum is back here, tucked inside the memorial pools. I still haven't been yet. I wanna go. It's just hard to get motivated for something that's gonna be so sad, but I need to. I still plan to come over here and show you around this place at some point, but we'll come back to it. This is the first stop. It's called Pumphouse Park. Let's go check it out. Really no expectations of this one, but it's a park. There's a green space in the middle, which is currently closed for the season. There you go, Pumphouse Park. Not the most exciting park in the world. It is peaceful though, I guess, except for the helicopters. We are right near a heliport. Just a few feet away from Pumphouse Park is a police memorial, also a peaceful place. And then a reminder of where we are, right on the Hudson. It's a beautiful day, chilly and windy. We'll come back to the water in just a minute. I want to go try to find something. So this is actually a piece of the Berlin Wall, which came down in 1989. It was a gift to the city. Yeah, I mean, it's the real thing. We had a piece like this back in Houston too, but it's always cool to get up close to these and experience history like that. You can see how this was constructed to prevent people from driving into it and tipping it over, because the wall goes down and then it comes out further. So if you hit this thing, it's gonna hit your car, and you know, anti-escape engineering, I guess. History of the Berlin Wall is a crazy history. If you don't know much about it, you should look it up. If there was one event in history that I could have experienced that I wasn't able to experience, even though actually I was alive, it would have been being there when the wall fell. Very cool. Let's keep going. I'm using Google Maps. I just looked at my phone and it says Berlin Wall, busier than usual. I'm the only one here. Pickleball. So we're back on the Hudson. Last time we did Battery Park City, we started over there near where that ferry terminal is, and we went north. This time we're starting here, and we're gonna go south. Quick little trip. It's beautiful over here. I just glanced up. I'm not sure if you can see it, but right about there, there's a perfect reflection of the top of One World Trade in whatever building that is. Right now I'm walking along what I think is called the Battery Park City Promenade or Boardwalk. The map says both things. It's pretty though, great views. This is something. It's another chain gang. That's something else. I don't know what that is. They're working on it, whatever it is. We're getting back into the fall when the sun is low in the sky, and so I'm trying hard not to get my shadow everywhere and weird light situations. Do my best, you know. We're back over here. You can see Statue of Liberty over there. If you look all the way down there, you can see the Verrazano Bridge. We've been there. Check out that episode if you haven't seen it. We got some fishing going on. Nice. Hey look, it's art. I'm glad that was labeled. It says eyes, because from the side it looked like something else. Eyes, okay, we'll go with that. More art. This is interesting. I think we have to go up. There's a metal grate on the floor here, and there's a walkway that goes under, and someone just walked under it and I didn't see them coming. It kind of scared me. It looked like a rat crawling by my feet. All right, enough of this high point sightseeing. Let's keep going. All right, I just walked out there and realized I can't keep going. That's the end. And the park over here that goes through is closed. So I'm gonna look at the map. All right, I'm gonna try to walk around, but we're getting close to where Battery Park is. And remember, that's all closed for construction to raise the ground for sea level rise and stuff like that. So the Battery Park City Esplanade might be closed too. We'll go find out. What's still incredible to me is all the land that I'm walking on right now didn't exist in the 1970s. It's crazy. I'd be in the Hudson River right now. It's the Museum of Jewish Heritage, right next to the future. It would appear that the last park I was going to go to doesn't exist right now. That's too bad. Yeah, this is it. Oh well, at least they gave us a peephole. That's it. So Oasis Park is in there, and the Battery Park City Esplanade's in there somewhere, and it's all in there. It doesn't look great right now, but someday. So here's a little piece of history. That building now holds the Battery Park Authority. Up on top it says Pier A, North River. Actually, the Hudson used to be called the North River. There you go. And with that, I've kind of wrapped around and I find myself back in Battery Park. So, unexpected ending, but it's been a good enough trip. Once again, there's the vent shaft for the Brooklyn Battery Tunnel. We saw that in our trip to Battery Park. Check that video out if you haven't seen it yet. Lots of fences. Hope they finish this up quickly. We're back here with the old customs house. Let's wrap it up. Let's go find the subway. I came in the wrong side. I should have crossed the street. Now I gotta go down under the tracks and back up on the uptown side. climb back up to the east side. Hey, if you just found the channel, be sure to check out all the stuff that's already there. Old episodes, got a whole season worth of stuff. Be sure to like and subscribe. And if you do like it, spread the word. Tell your friends. Look for new episodes every Friday. I'll see you next time.